See you soon, you say.
Right,
See you soon, you say.
Soon. Yeah.
It's the next day.
Oh, I'm here.
Yes.
Yes.
Does anyone believe us?
The weather's the same as yesterday.
And we've all chosen to wear exactly the same clothes.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! You've got one more chance after this, Papa. He's reading the clues for the next day again. Bad form, Papa, bad form. 23, more gin.
More gin.
You've just given up on the doors
Yeah. Oh, Tanqueray number 10. Ooh. That's one of my favourites. I do like the Tanqueray.
There we go. So very nice. I need 5 more bottles to fill up the thing. Look, see? Mum, I'm pointing.
Yes, I know.
Well, I'm trying.
I know.
But you're not looking.
No.
It's not very difficult. I wasn't asking you to do a horrible thing. Where's my calendar gone? Oh, it's hiding.
No calendar for you.
Oh, sad.
I borrowed it all.
Sad. 23. I also think this is buttons. You can have a squeeze of this one.
Oh yes, no doubt.
So there's quite chunky buttons because there's 4 of them. Can I get in? You really do like your sellotape. Oh, they're pretty. They're cardigan buttons for sure, aren't they? Yeah. Not that I let you put buttons on my cardigans very often, but definitely like those. They're gorgeous.
Because when she doesn't like them, she gives them to me, and they haven't got buttons on. I like buttons.
It's not that I don't like them, it's usually that they're the wrong sort of size for me. Anyway,
decor.
Day 23. What's the betting that there's more destruction involved in this one?
Absolutely. Right.
What have we got in here? Oh.
Outside is cold, Right, start again. Outside is cold, all wind and ice. To stay home toasty would be nice. But losing Christmas scares you, so along the ribbon you must go. Open where the ribbon leads, your journey on the box proceeds.
Hang on. Let me...
Starting here.
Yes. Is there going to be a secret side door like there was last year?
Grab your scissors, cut with care along the line that's showing there.
Do we cut along the blue line?
Yes.
But I just wanted to show them, so... ribbon was exactly where Mum and I said it was, and you've got to cut along the blue line. So if somebody needs to get a pen.
What, again? Where's it gone? There it is.
He's not writing it down.
T-H-E. Right. 24's behind the coin. Turn it over.
I think that might pull out.
Well, we don't do the 24 till we get there.
This is true. This is true.
Well,
that was different.
Yeah. Slightly contentious teamwork, but we got
a bit of fisticuffs. There's nothing wrong with that.
It wouldn't be Christmas without families fighting just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Bit of a challenge.
Yes. So anyway, magically, Mum and I are now going to turn up in a car. Probably on the way to a ferry, if not on the ferry, if not on the way to see Big Bird, which we're very excited about. And we've remembered to pack the knitting books, the present and the alcohol.
I put the alcohol in a Christmas bag.
Excellent. So we've got one thing done. Let's do the other things at some point before we actually leave. So anyway, that was it for day 23 of our Advent calendar.
Okay.
You're getting squished again. So we will see you tomorrow for day 24. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Zip.
Good morning, lovely peeps. Mum and I are off on an adventure. Our ferry has just arrived. It's getting rid of all its cars that it's brought over here, and we are waiting to get on. It's far too early in the morning at 10 o'clock. Roasted lamb. I'm very excited. We're back!
Mum sandwich.
Yeah.
And again, we've chosen to wear exactly the same outfits that we were wearing. yesterday and
Come,
the day before. Dad's impatient. Are you ready? This is the very last day of Vlogmas, so are you ready? One,
Yes.
2, 3.
Hello.
Merry...
Harry what?
I think she was saying hello, but...
Should we start again?
Yeah, let's do that.
Delete that.
Okay.
Delete that.
No, not a
Yeah.
chance. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Vlogmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
We got one out of him this year. I will be happy with that.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your last gin, Mum.
Oh no!
Your last gin, right in the middle.
I should be ginless. Woo!
Oh gosh, is it gin?
Oh! There's a surprise. Villa and...
Villa Ascenti, Rosa gin.
Mm.
Oh, yeah, Rosa gin. Oh, I wonder if it smells. Not that you'll be able to tell. You'll have to let us know when you try that one.
Mm-hmm.
My turn. If I can open the box. Oh, look!
Oh!
It's that one.
That was easy.
Which is buttons. Do you want to have another squeeze? Final squeeze?
Oh.
It's buttons. It's more cardigan buttons, I think.
Mm.
Oh, they're pretty. They're not for you. They're really pretty.
Yeah.
They are not for you.
Yeah.
No. Nice try, but no. Alena, thank you so much for my calendar. That was absolutely lovely of you, and it's been brilliant. Like, you know me so well, clearly, and I have loved every minute of it. So thank you very much for all those lovely gifts that you found me over the last year. I very much appreciate it. Right, Papa.
Yes.
No fighting this time.
No.
Okay, hang on. Oh, camera, come on. I've got to film.
At least we know where to go.
Yes, day 24.
It's a little slim box.
I don't know if it opens or if you slide it out or... Tools required. There we go.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
And there's still...
No, it's here.
Oh no, that's the inside.
This is
of
on the
box.
big screen. Right, it's to do with these tunnels.
Oh.
Oh,
And
no.
there's more of them.
Oh. Well, that makes sense.
Right.
Okay.
It says you can open the whole thing.
Yeah.
Destruction in process.
Was
Yeah.
I,
You
was
were.
I
Dad
correct?
was correct.
Was I correct?
Dad was correct.
Oh.
let me show them.
What is it?
Right.
Hang on.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, hang on. Now my torch is on. Sorry. Hang on. Okay. So it's this
So-
one.
This one
Yeah.
pulls out,
Uh-huh.
and you open it up, and inside
Ah!
Very well stuck down.
two stuck down.
Well, with the way that we've been shaking the box around. Does it say
No.
exit the game?
Yeah.
A badge.
Well, we had postcards last year.
Right.
I like that. And then the box that we didn't...
Says exit Christmas hero.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. There we are.
What fun.
And then that one, the one that we hadn't opened yet,
Yeah.
was just like, no,
Yeah.
go back to work.
What are you doing here? Mind your own business.
Do you enjoy your calendar?
I did very much. Well, they're fun.
Yeah, they are. They are. They're very clever.
There's so much work.
I know.
I enjoyed that. Did you enjoy your calendar?
I did
Are
indeed.
you dying quietly?
Just dying quietly.
Okay. You've fallen over the other day. And
Have you been out
coughing
for the
and-
night nurse yet?
Oh, do
No,
we
but I
need to-
had one lot for last night, so we're going to get
Oh,
some.
right. Okay.
Okay. Oh, do you have a cold?
I think so.
That's because you keep
But I'm-
going out in public.
Yes. I'm taking the echinacea, which is the best thing to take,
And night nurse to sleep.
and night nurse to sleep.
Cool.
Yep.
Anyway, we can now reveal the reason that Mum and I have been up on the mainland for the last couple of days, and here he is. Oh.
We're a lot more comfortable when she comes in.
Yeah, absolutely. She's like, why are you stealing my baby? Good morning, lovely peeps. Happy 23rd of December. Mum's a little distracted because we went and did a thing. Look at the thing. Meet Kai. Yay. Oh, you're going to be a film star, Kai. You are. Yes. Now we've got to get him home.
That's because Sean wants to take a photograph of you.
Yeah. This little gentleman has been an angel the entire way home. But we are now waiting for our ferry. And you're going to try your second mode of transport in one day.
Yes.
Fingers crossed you like the motion of the ferry as much as you did the car. Kai has been put into his crate as we were advised to do by all the puppy trainers that we've seen. Max is very interested. Iskiaka has been over for a sniff as well, but she's a little bit less enthused. But we've only had one teeny tiny box. She's right behind you, Mum. There's an Izzy. There is an Izzy.
What do you think, Izzy?
So we're going to go and set his playpen up in the front room. How are you feeling about the new member of the family? This is good. You're very confused, aren't you, kittens? Very confused.
What are we here for?
Most of you have probably guessed the terrible secret that I was attempting to keep over the last couple of weeks, but there's a new addition to the family. This is Kai. He's a Peekapoo, just like a Pokemon.
Is that like Peekapoo?
His mum was a
No?
No.
Oh, okay.
His mum was a Pekingese and his dad was a poodle and we think Bichon Frise cross. And it was a completely unplanned pregnancy. But look at the baby that we got. He's so cute. So he was in Lutterworth, which is a 20-minute drive from James and Nia's house.
Oh,
which
it's
is
in the far north. The far north.
It's the Midlands.
Yeah.
As far as we're concerned, it's the distant north. But yes, that's what Mum and I were on the mainland doing yesterday and the day before. So meet Kai. He is very cute, and I think we've given him
you
the
see him
shortest
down there?
person to.
Yes, to hold him. I was going to say, I think.
He's absolutely tiny, and he's like a little teddy bear, and he's doing very well.
And he smells like a puppy.
He smells like a puppy. We went and got puppy shampoo for it. Well, we got dog shampoo for him today. But this was the present that Caroline gave us that I bleeped and sort of covered up yesterday, but it kind of gave the game away. But apparently Mum and I have both given the game away over the last couple of weeks.
Yes.
And either you didn't notice or you very kindly said nothing and let us pretend that we were going to surprise you all. The cats are horrified.
No, they're not.
Well, where to begin with?
Max and Izzy are
They're inquisitive.
Yes, and they've touched noses with
They have.
Max.
They were initially horrified and have both hissed at him, but are now, as Mum says, inquisitive. And he's got a playpen, so they're sitting either side of the playpen and watching. Chiana has not met him yet. I think I've stressed her too far with the kittens.
Yeah, that might be a step too far.
That might be a step too
Might
far.
be a step too far.
Okay.
But I just wanted to say a massive thank you to these two for doing Vlogmas with me. I very much appreciate it. I know you guys enjoy seeing them every year. And I wanted to say happy holidays, happy festive period, happy whatever you guys get up to. And I hope you have a lovely time. And I'll see you all in the new year.
Happy New Year.
Next year.
Next year.
Sounds like a distant thing,
It
doesn't it?
does. We've got 7 days.
Yeah.
See you then. Bye.
Happy Christmas.
Bye.
Oh, we need a thumbnail. I'm sorry.
Why do we need the thumbnail?
Because we
turn
need a
round.
thumbnail.
Turn the right with where the dog would be.
Look at
Oh
that.
no, he's heading the other
He's
way
turned his
now.
head. Yeah. Hi.
Right.
No,
Okay.
Dad, just stay still for a second.
It's not me.
I know it's not you. There we go. Now, look at the camera. Smile. Thank you.
You little monster.